everybody, it's Mary, and it's all right. Coming up in the month of April, we're going to have a class called Serge Explorations. You would have a choice of coming to either the Saturday class or the Tuesday class. And on each day, there's going to be 2 different sessions. So you have a choice of the morning or the afternoon. Everything is posted on our website with the further details, and you can sign up for it. But what it's going to be about is all these sergers. Oh my goodness. Where do you start? Where do you begin? Maybe you've never even heard of a serger, or you've never used one, so you don't really understand what its purpose is. Well, this class, the Serge Exploration, is going to be all about you coming here and sitting down at different machines. And we're going to have each machine set up to do a specific function. And you're going to take your fabric and travel from machine to machine and test what it does. And then you'll get a better, clearer idea of the usefulness of a serger. Because traditionally, it was all about making garments, especially anything with stretch. But now we've taken sergers to a whole new level of embellishing. Look at these. I've got beautiful threads in my serger. And I'm not using it for construction here, but I'm using it for embellishing. And we're going to create a simple table runner using the different techniques. But these also could be applied to your garment work. So I hope to see you sign up. And any questions, give us a call, 718-468-5858. Bye.